It's been 26 years since the Ladies Classic started in Greenville. In that time, the tournament between Christmas and New Year's has been building a strong national reputation.
We've got 16 teams. This year we've got 4 teams from out of state.
We have a team from West Virginia for the first time. We have another team from Florida back this year. So it just gets some good exposure for our region all across the United States.
The town of Greenville is very appreciative and very proud of this tournament. It's one of the older tournaments in the state of Tennessee now.
Participating teams are from Florida, Georgia, Kentucky, Tennessee, and West Virginia. Greenville officials praise the tournament for pumping money into the local economy through lodging, food, and other services provided to tournament fans.
I just enjoy basketball and enjoy getting together with the people, some of the people I haven't seen in a while. Just enjoy the fellowship.
You get to see some great basketball. It's also something for holidays, and also we kind of develop a camaraderie, a little bit of a brotherhood and a sisterhood.
Over the course of this year's Ladies Classic, 29 games will be played, with the championship match on New Year's Eve. For live coverage of the tournament, including stories and photos, visit ladiesclassic.greenvillesun.com. I'm Brian Cutchaw for the Greenville Sun.
Come on out to the Land Air Ladies Classic. It's some of the best basketball in the country.